Apple famously dumped Intel back in 2020, switched to its own chips, left Intel in the dust. Well, Apple just came crawling back. Kind of. And Intel stock exploded 9% overnight because of it. Early this morning, President Trump announced on Truth Social that Apple and Intel have agreed to a partnership where Intel will manufacture chips for Apple devices on American soil. Neither Apple nor Intel have officially confirmed the details, but the market reaction says it all. Intel shares jumped over 9% in pre-market trading. This is happening. Here's the deal. Apple designs its own chips, the M series, the A series, but it doesn't actually make them. That job goes to TSMC in Taiwan, which is basically the world's chip factory. The problem, NVIDIA, AMD, and every AI company on Earth are fighting over TSMC's production lines right now. Apple needs a backup plan. Enter Intel. The two companies have reportedly been in talks for over a year, with a preliminary deal reported back in May by the Wall Street Journal. Intel's new CEO, Lip Bhutan, has been turning the company around. Intel stock is up 464% in the past 12 months, and their new 18A manufacturing process is finally competitive. Now here's the catch. Intel won't be making Apple's top-tier chips anytime soon. We're talking lower-end processors. Think base model iPads, maybe older MacBook Air chips. TSMC is still miles ahead on cutting-edge production, but it's a foot in the door. Oh, and one more detail. The US government owns about 10% of Intel. So yeah, the president announcing a deal involving a company that government partly owns is a choice. For you, this probably won't change your next iPhone, but long-term, it's massive. Apple having a second chip supplier means more leverage, potentially lower costs, and less risk if anything happens to TSMC's Taiwan factories. For Intel, landing Apple as a customer is the comeback story of the decade. And for the chip industry, the era of TSMC as the only game in town might finally be ending. Apple broke up with Intel in 2020. Now they're business partners again, just with very different roles. Comment below. Do you think Intel can actually compete with TSMC, or is this just political theater? Smash subscribe because the chip wars are just getting started.